Hello friend, today we are studying the material used in the manufacture of a fishing gear part 2 by Rohini Sudhakar Chauhan, NES Science College Nanded, BSc second year, paper number 9, unit number 1st. Knitting yarn. Knitting yarn is a textile product suitable for a manufacture of a knitting and can be knitted into a knitting by the machine or by hand without having to undergo the further process. Yarn is made up into a knitting by a twisting or a bending. The monofilament are used directly for making into a knitting without further process. Hence, it follows that a monofilament yarn is a knitting yarn also. Twisted knitting yarns. Knitting twins. Fibers are twisted together to form a single yarn. A twisted single yarn into twisted together to form a strain or a play. Three strain or play are twisted together to form a knitting twin. Twisted, no all synthetic, are represented in the Indian fishing industry. PA is available as a multi-filament yarns and twisted knitting yarn of a different size are also single yarn monofilament of a different size. Polyethylene is available as a twisting monofilament, branded monofilament of a different size. Polypropylene as a multi-filament twist knitting yarns of a size equivalent to the nylon and also available. Branded knitting yarns. These are the produced in interlacing a number of strands in such way that they are cross each other by the diagonal direction. These brands are usually in the form of tube. The branded knitting yarns are available with or without core. Core is a term used for a single yarn, twisted yarn or a monofilaments which do not belong to the branded tube but fill in a space inside the tube. The specification of a knitting yarns. Diameter in mm is commonly followed for a monofilament, a single or twisted or a branded or for a rope. The range in a per kg -1 or a YD LB -1 is commonly used for a rope. The size of yarn, number of yarns is a one strand and the number of strands in a twins are shown in a direct numbering system. For example, 210D multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 indicate that the yarn size is 200 dinar and the 3 yarns in a one strand and 3 strands in a twisted to form a knitting twin. Identification of synthetic fiber. Different group of synthetic fiber can be identified by the physical or chemical test method. Specific gravity PA 1.14, PES 1.38, PE 0.96, PP 0.91. This table shows the material PA and PES and PE and PP. That is, the material burns with a light filament, white smoke, melting drop, fall downs, PES and PE. Melting burn are with a light filament, sooty black smoke, melting drop, fall down, PE. The steam curls melting to burn with light flame, drop melting, fall down, PP. String metal and burns with a light flame, melting drop, fall down. After the leaving this stop burning, melting drop can be stitched into a fine thread. The stopping burning, continuous burn, continuous melting, bed and melting the substance for hot melting into a fine thread cannot be rapidly hot, burnt slowly by the sticking and substance can be stitched and can be stitched. Solubility test. PA is soluble in 30% of hydrochloride and 30% minute at room temperature. PA and PE are suitable for a sulfuric acid 97% to 98% in a 30 minute at room temperature. PE and PP are soluble in a xylene on a boiling for a 5 minute inflammable. Solubility. Not all the synthetic are represented in India fishing industry. PA is available as a multiple filament yarn, and twisting knitting yarn in a different sizes are also single yarn monofilament of a different size. Polyethylene is available as a twisted monofilament and branded monofilament of a different size. Polyethylene is a multifilament twisted knitting yarns of a size equivalent to the nylon, and it is also available. Properties of a knitting yarn. Knowledge of the properties of the knitting yarn is required for a quality evaluation and also for selection of material for a different type of wears. The numerical values by which these are specified are determined by the standard test procedure. Diameter of the material is depend upon the type of polymer and type of yarn and size of yarn, and specification and consideration. It is important in a selection of a material for a particular gear. For example, case of the gill net, diameter of the twins and the beers as ratio with a mesh bar, and to have the maximum catch efficiency. In a thread net is a finer twins reduce the drag, and diameter is also factor to be considered for suitable of one's material with another. For a given size of yarn in a text or diner, different material have been different values or of a diameter. American with a lower specific gravity will have the more diameter than the material with a higher specific gravity, that is 210 dpa. Yarn is highest specific gravity 1.140 will be equivalent to the diameter of to 190 to 180 dpp. Yarn of lowering specific gravity 0.91 to 210 dpa will be finer than the 210 dpp. Diameter is proposed in mm in a measure using the traveling microscope or vernier calipers. Linear density, the mass in a gram in a 1000 millimeter length in any sample is linear density and expressed in R text or a resultant diner if 9000 millimeter length is considered. Amount of twist, the numerical value of amount of twist is turned to per length is usually referred as per m or per inch, and the amount of twist diner is by using a twist corner and the rotation between the stand twin and yarn twist, outer twist, inner twist, and it is given inner twist is equal to outer twist multiplied by under root number of yarns. Direction of a twist, there are two types of a twist, that is S and Z, and the component of the twist product resembling the central portion of the letter S and or Z, design that having a S twin or a Z twins. Coefficient of twist, there are this is a measure of a twist hardness and determine the multiplying the T by M by the square root of a count in the direct system of numbering. K is equal to T by M is multiplied by under root text divided by 1000. Four different degree of twins like a soft, medium, hard, extra hard, and recognized in having a twins of two material. Soft twins and multifilament knitting yarn PA having a coefficient of twins 1010 and 1014. Medium twins twisted 150 to 160, hard twisted 200. The amount of twins independent of type of fiber, but dependent on the diameter of the knitting yarn. Coefficient of twins PPA medium twins knitting yarn is 130 to 140 for PE twisted monofilament 100 to 120. Breaking loading and elongation. Breaking loading is the maximum force applied to specimen in a tensile text. The text measure for resistant material, the force tensed is test to the specimen in a direction. This expressed in n. 1 n is equal to 0.12102 kg as the elongation, and this measured length of the specimen during the test, and it is expressed as a percent of the length. This is determined by the textile tensile machines and the universal text machine. They by the applying increasing force till the simple break. Textile strength in the breaking load N by area across the section in an square, expressed in a N by m square. Wearing weathering, netting yarn express wearing due to the environment, and that is wear includes the deterioration caused by the mechanical factors such as rubbing against the sea bottom surface, abrasion, and chemical ultraviolet rays, and the microbial attack. Resistance of the abrasion is different in a different material. The material with a high strength, high elongation, and high elasticity possesses a good abrasion resistance. Resistance to the UV rays is depend upon the type of fiber and type of material specification. It is measured by the exposure to the exposing sample out of the door to the sunlight, and the internal condition in a laboratory source of the UV ray. The mechanical property of the sample on a continuous exposure are recorded periodically, and material is considered unserviceable when 50% of breaking load is lost. Thank you.